Today, Italy is protesting against the obligation of Green Pass. What is the fact about the Green Pass at the moment? Today is 15 October 2021. The government has ordered that from today, from the midnight 15 October 2021, the workers cannot go to their workplace if they don't have the Green Pass in their possession. But there is another possibility. If they don't want to have a Green Pass, what they will have to do, they will have to have in hand the negative report of the COVID test. So the problem is that on the public hand, that they will have to pay to get this negative test report to go to the work. The people on this point of view has asked the government to free the test, but this is not possible. The government has already denied. The government has said this is not possible because it costs one test, COVID test cost from €5 to €15. So if somebody want to go to work, he will have to get 3 times a week this type of test. So the people, let me give you an example. If a person is working a part-time and he's earning €500 per month, and if he has to get 3 times a test a week, he will have to pay almost €200. So from €500, if he pays €200 just to make the test, it means he is earning nothing. So he will prefer to stay home. But the government say that the last few years there have been a very much disaster about the deaths in the country. So government don't want this situation to come back again. So government want to protect the people, but the people say that okay, government should impose some restriction on the workers, but the test, negative test should be sufficient and should not be asked to the obligation to have properly the vaccination. But so many people don't want to get vaccination, but the vaccination is definitely a kind of fear. The people, so many people don't want to be vaccinated because they think that the vaccination is of no use, because the vaccination is not a guarantee that if somebody is vaccinated, he could be safe, 100% safe. So if the possibility is not there that somebody is vaccinated and there is no guarantee of his life, so it should not be obligatory to get such kind of test. So see, those people, if those are present here, they are against this government order. They think that there should be a law, okay, but the people should not be forced to be vaccination, because vaccination is, as I have already said, is not the priority of the people. So the people think that if they get an other kind of choice for the part of the government for the workers, because you see around me, all these people are the workers. The workers are here in protest against the government. Such kind of protests have been in all around Italy in the last few weeks. A few protests were also violent. There have been clashes with the government, with the government forces. But here you see that the people are very peaceful. They are here to protest their opinion. They say that there should be a liberty. There should be a liberty to be vaccinated or not to be vaccinated. These details should be added more from my part about this manifestation. Till this, take care and stay with us. I am Wasim Raza from Italy, Bolzano.